Here at Equipment Deals, we have a 2019 Cat 259D skid steer, a little over 2,000 hours on it. Gonna give you a quick little preview video, let you see this thing working and operating as it should. Again, this unit is available through Equipment Deals. Please give us a call at 972-666-9501 or 1-855-EQ-DEALS. This unit is located over here in Stephenville, Texas. It's been a small company that's been running this unit. No corporate big business, so it's been treated right, it's taken care of, and it's got good hours. It's a little over 2,000 hours. So if you're interested in a good clean unit, come check it out and give us a call. Thanks.